Spina.
Yeah, there's tons of certificates, you know, all the way around. Yeah, that green shield means that it's viewable by you, it was released 3/19. Yeah. You can see that there's anything going on. Yeah. So good, download it. So you see, you said, you're applying for two. Yeah. Well, anyone. Yes, we could have a this will be very. Anyway, okay. Okay. No, I mean, we can work something out. All right.
Yeah.
Unless they sure you are.
Here's like a little bit of. Y'all always look at something from this meeting, the voice to make a like. Those are the guys. That would be pretty simple. That was the reason. All right.
I was search for something up with that law, if you want to do that one day.
Mr. Chen? It's what? All that stuff.
Yeah, they did a chart that.
Hey, Luis, I'm gonna need to borrow you for 1 second.
Martina?
Oh, Spina Calderon. Huh? He didn't check in. Got it. He didn't check in.
Judge, I am texting him and I sent him a reminder. I told him I was going to appear virtually.
Just be
Let me reach out to
careful.
him.
Be careful, Keely, you know?
Driving, yeah. Let me reach back out to him, Judge, but he should be there. He's perhaps in the hallway. Let me just reach out to him briefly.
Well. Well, yeah, they said, oh, it's all pain and. That's. Well, I mean, it's probably just like.
Judge,
Yes.
Judge, I am circling back on Mr. Ospina. It appears that there was a misunderstanding. He's not in court today. If we could have him rolled over to tomorrow, I can be there in person and approach with you.
He knows exactly what happened, what he wants, no.
Judge, like I said, the misunderstanding was on my end.
It's not a
I see the text
misunderstanding.
messages.
No. It's not. But just go and we'll see if he shows up and then I'll reach out to you if he does.
Okay, I am reaching out to him now, see if he can make it to court before you wrap up docket. But I do have good contact with him. I see the text message thread where we informed him that we thought he had been reset to June. So that was really on my end, not on him. Thank you, Judge.
I guess just, yeah, I'm revoking his bond though. So,
Okay, give me a sec, Judge.
yeah. Okay, I guess we'll reach out to you or just let me know.
Okay, thanks, Judge.
All right. Have a safe drive.
Thank you, Judge.
Bye. Mr. Baylor, yeah.
And the judge, I've
Hey.
got Mr. Gilbert on your dog. I know you've only come in a little late, right as it's left bench. I'm sure the court is on the
I remember. He's refusing to do it. Yeah. Okay.
That's right, Your Honor. He is, I don't know exactly, right? So maybe the court can provide help. So with previous time served, he's got, I understand. The judge has, all right, they go believe around 70 days. So working on that next.
How many days it cost?
70 around.
No.
Don't.
Salem. Yeah, last. I think Salem's around. Let me go. He does have 6 Okay, well, I didn't know he had that much time. Okay, so I guess do,
Are we okay?
yeah, do 150 credit for both.
Okay.
That should be sufficient. Yeah,
Thank you.
okay.
I appreciate the start. I hear you.
I didn't realize, I thought he had,
He didn't feel bad. But thank you.
hi, good morning, Mr. Jaworski.
Last name of Bond, man. Villarreal.
Okay. Where we headed?
I've got the discovery. It's a real weird package situation. And, I must have set up the trial.
Okay, so I'm happy to do that, but I don't want to get here 45, 60 days later and, oh, now I want to do something
No,
different.
you-
So he said it, we're gonna go. Villarreal, come up. Mr. Villarreal, I have enough drama in my life. I don't need any more, really. If you want to set it for trial, I'm happy to do it, but today's your plea bargain deadline. Once we set it, you will go to trial kicking or screaming. I don't care. I'm not going to accept any more plea bargain agreements after today. I don't want everybody to have to prepare for trial, bring a jury, and then, oh, you know what? I want to plead guilty. It's not going to happen. You said it, happy to do it, but you will go to trial. I don't want you to make a decision now. You guys can speak, make a decision, but if we said it, you will go. No more plea bargain agreements after today. All right? Okay, you guys make the decision. Let me know. If you want to set it, just go talk to Ramon and we'll set it.
Okay.
All right. Hi, Corey. What's up, man?
I have 10 homes.
Okay,
I'm over 178 days old.
yeah. Where do you want to go? Where are we going?
So, we're waiting on some restitution information to plan. I'll be frank, this is not, I haven't been pushing her to get this information. I've been tied up with.
But you don't have to. They should be doing it regardless.
I'm just trying to be clever.
And she said that they reduced were covered by insurance, but she didn't have.
I know, but she still has a deductible.
Yeah, and I've asked her to send me the deductible. She hasn't sent it to me yet.
So do this. Let's do a week and go, you can either give it to me within the next reset. If not, we're going forward and you get nothing. But we're not going to wait. It's 180 days. You either get it now. It takes literally all of 2 seconds to send a damn email. So next week, if it's not here, that's it. Do you have an offer on the case?
I have an offer pending restitution submission offer.
Okay, so have an offer ready to go by the next setting. Let's have your client here, make a decision, and go from there.
Can I give him, because with his work schedule, can I give him more than a week's notice on you need to be in court? We do a couple.
Sure, sure. 2 weeks, let him know he's got to be here and we'll go from there.
Understood.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, next setting is pre-trial. They're getting a restitution amount. They don't have it yet, so. Hi, Dan, you ready?
Yes, Judge.
Good morning.
Good morning, Judge. So I'm here today, I'm covering a case. The defendant's name is Marcus Oliver. He was in a arraignment setting today. Now, Your Honor, he was arrested on the 6th of this month. He spoke with our law firm on the 8th. When he spoke with our law firm, he met with an intake attorney who's primarily out of Boston, who gave us incorrect information that if he hired us and we filed a notice of appearance, he wouldn't actually be present. That is.
Oh, he needs to be here.
So I know he needs to.
So he's not here.
He's not here, he's in Maine.
No.
I know.
Not good. So I tell you what, I'll give you until Monday. It's got to be here by
Can
Monday.
we give him 2 weeks, Judge? That's what
No,
we did.
no, it's a DWI and he needs conditions. It's gotta, I'm not giving him 2 weeks. He knows, he has a piece of paper that tells him that he's supposed to be here.
I understood, Judge, but it is our.
Pick a
fault
day,
that we-
I get it. Pick a day next week. Let him know he's got to be here. If he's not here, then, all right.
Okay.
Okay.
Anyway.
Yes, it was someone else. It's someone else. It's not me. Hey, Dan,
Yes, Judge.
he has a Houston address here.
Right, Judge. So I have an employment letter. So he works for an industrial company and he's on a project in Maine and he can.
Do you have proof that he's actually there now, that he's
So I have.
employed there?
This is from his employer. We have him to send, some verification from his employer. So this is from Stronghold Company, is where he works, and this is the letter that they sent her everything.
Okay.
And so he told our office that he gets his paycheck in 2 weeks and he can come down and leave the app.
No, but look at this criminal history, man. It's, I mean, dangerous, extensive, a week. He's got to be here with them.
I understand your,
Yeah.
and the only reason that it's our fault, but
Well, and whoever told him this should know better. That you never override a court order. You, as a lawyer, can never override a court order. I mean, it's just,
understood, Judge. I know practices are different in some counties, but I understand.
and it's just you just need to be here the first damn setting. That's all you got. That's all we need. I'm not asking, you know what I mean?
I think if he would spoke with someone in Houston, he would be here. This is where we are. I'll tell him he has to leave.
Okay, thanks.
All right.
Hi. Hey, Clyde. What's up, man?
Mr. Lucky.
Yeah, I saw it. So where are we with the PTI?
Everything's set to go.
Okay.
They don't want him into the program until he has the restricted driver's license.
I'll grant it for you now.
Okay.
But he's going into the program, correct? Got
Yeah,
it. Okay.
everything's turned in, it's all done.
Okay, I'll grant it for you.
Okay.
Yeah, just, she'll bring it out and then I'll sign it.
Okay, do I need to go talk to her?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just, email her.
Got it.
Sixteen, 17.
Okay.
253
Okay.
7686.
What do you pick up? Oh my God. You're ready.
It was against his ex-girlfriend's. The
10,3. Yeah. Thank you for letting me know. Hi. Yes. Wow, it's been a while. How are you, Sylvia? How are things?
I just came for a WIP to make it myself.
Sure.
But I just wanted to say hi.
Great to see you. Yeah. Are you working on a different floor or where? No more?
I'm doing a little bit more of immigration. Probably I'm going to try picking up some more felonies. The mic thing.
I get it.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I don't see you that often, but it's always nice to be.
Yeah. Well, great to see you.
Good to see
Yeah.
you too, Sherry. Have a lovely day.
You too.
Bye.
Take care. Hi, Kobe. How are you, man?
Mr. Desmond Lundy today, you guys know, not been bringing on, see him. Just on the docket, because you wanted to do your jobs, we're kind of come back and update on that. Couple things, Mr. Lundy's a little bit special. Any jobs that he would do, probably do manual labor type jobs. He's been, still got smoke records from oil harming. He's had severe gout. He's a gout sufferer. I understand if you gotta do manual work, that's gonna make it hard. What we did do, because he hasn't gotten a job, we tried to apply and let him hired. We got him into a GV program. seen that.
Wonderful.
He's working on that. I told him, at least that would give him another, maybe get a job if he completes that. So I've seen that. He's registered. His brother comes up here, work with him a lot. I mean, work with his brother, get him in classes. So he's doing that with the hopes that once he finishes the degree, you know, with a job. So we had hoped that that would be sufficient. 'Cause
That's
he's gonna be
good.
doing something.
Good. I'm happy that he's doing that. That's nice. Just tell him to keep it up and I want to see the light at the end.
I'm working with him, trying to get him to.
I understand. I trust you.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thanks, friend.
Mr. DeVoe, you have, they have an emergency that has a summon.
I'm sure he's letting you check on that too.
Hi, Joe.
Just trying to make sure. Here, so I gotta refile. So I gotta text you from the lawyer, does that refile?
Oh, that's what this one
I
is.
think that's what that's gonna be, which is why I'm gonna summons, because of,
Okay.
okay, let me check and confirm that, but that's my understanding.
Okay. Check and talk to us. Okay, one caller in the side. And then a few things.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was an accident. Yes.
Did they tell us what restitution?
No, it's okay.
But she didn't tell us.
No, I think it was good. But follow up with her.
Legally, I have to focus that in. No.
Check it out. It's good example.
In here or she wrote that? Okay. DWI. I said for a bet. So the whole time. And yeah. On that, I should check it out.
Yeah. Yeah, just like the bottle break.
Yeah, there's one small part. Water comes back. It's spraying. It's all the same. I was really not coming this year. Hopefully they don't.
Here, I'll take it. Fine.
I want to introduce you to one of my new colleagues, Mr.
Hello. Hi. Nice to meet you. Pleasure. Are you interpret as well?
Interpret.
Oh, great. Nice to meet you. Yeah, you're in good hands.
Well, as a matter of fact, Lisa and I have worked together and also we attended classes together online, the continuing interpretation.
Oh, nice.
Great.
Right on. Like the book, he speaks like 7 languages.
Wow.
Yeah, but always, I only interpret in Spanish, English because of the complexity of the task. So I don't know how to say motion to dismiss for failure to state a claim in German, for example. In Spanish, I can use that writing.
Yeah. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Más importante, no, por el país. I know why they're the most important. Okay, if you have the corporate, he's the one for, okay.
Source coding and the cost.
I this just does he have and more tax or
Judge Maverick. They're saying that one of the 2 boxes needs to be checked, that
Sure.
I don't know which one. I mean, it says the court finds on its own that he's either going to come to say he tells me he's schizo, but he's on medication. I just have serious questions about.
I'll do it for you then. Don't worry. Yeah, I'll take care of it for you.
I don't want to.
He's currently in custody?
He's in custody, $2,500 bond.
I remember him. Yeah. Okay, I'll take care of it.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you. You bet. Wow. What's up?
Living the dream.
I feel you. Did you ever follow that, the Murdaugh murder case out of South Carolina, where he was accused of the wife and the son? They just overturned the murder conviction today. Yeah.
Wow.
He's still serving a 40-year sentence because, he's a lawyer who admittedly, I guess, took from clients and they charged him federally and got a 40-year sentence, but well, I don't know if they're going to try him, but they just overturned the murder conviction, which is huge because that was.
Yeah, my daughter watched it, a whole that special.
Yeah, I did too. It was just, my wife and I did too. And I think.
That's amazing.
Yeah, but I guess the clerk had a profound impact, what they said on the jurors. So we'll see if they redo it, Because I don't know, on a federal sentence, how much do you do? Do you do 2/3? What, I don't know. Yeah, yeah.
I've been over there.
Clyde, does she have the documents she need me to sign it?
There was one typo and she's fixing that. And it's all,
Okay.
she said she'd be right back.
Yeah, and this is the court
I was just laughing because you had a, look at, I was in trial with Margaret Harris, so just smiling like that, you might not be held in contempt.
I know one down.
I like,
I tried, you know what? I tried 3 cases with her and I always got a fair trial.
yeah,
I tried cases with, oh man, I did all of them.
That, yes.
The one I really didn't. I'm live streaming, so we'll talk about it later, but there was one particular judge that I tried a case in front of him, like mid-trial, he just starts helping the opposition and just saying, well, this is how you need to do this. Is like in the middle of the trial, I'm like, what? What? But other than that, I mean, I always got.
I just didn't guess what it was.
Um,
I had a song.
but everyone else, I really had a great experience with, you know, always fair, except for that one, but.
Ideally, yes.
She always gave me fair trial, and I had nothing.
Oh, wow.
She was.
You were around that?
Yeah.
Wow. How long you been practicing? 30 years?
20.
Well, yeah, about
Wow.
86.
I guess I started right when maybe she had gotten elected. Or maybe she had done one term and then, I didn't start till early 2000. That's when I started. So I don't, I mean, she was on here at least 20 something years. I don't know. But
Yeah, they thought balls were the same.
Mostly be over. You might find advice.
yeah, strictly here. Thanks.
You were
Right, that or start ours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. All right, is discovery.
Yeah.
Guys are looking offers.
Well, there's going to ponder everything we get, including the certificate of IOP. We're like putting the marinade on the meat.
Okay, how is June 23rd and the 25th?
June 23rd is good.
All right, it'll be a wait to go.
All right, let's see.
Yeah.
Do we know anyone in trial? Is anyone in trial? Do you know? Yeah. Remember Marcelo wanted to know if anyone was in trial?
Oh, I'm not sure if there's going on anywhere else.
I'm not opposed to, one of the guys, he's gonna approach, and most of the property in Roberts, not, but he, doesn't forfeiture, no, or so. Now,
Yes.
You're on a man approach, very, very good.
Hey, Michael.
So I'm here on a motion to restore and I'll fix this. Whenever you're ready, I'll do it. So
Yeah, yeah.
2617-634, and that's for Robert or Stephen Robbins,
2617.
63.
Okay.
I believe the state is unopposed to the return.
Does he have proof that he had bought the gun?
He bought it from Spring Guns and Ammo.
Right, but did he provide proof
I can get a receipt.
Yeah,
Let me
because
see.
I've given a gun back before and it went back to the wrong person and it was a complete and utter nightmare.
I understand.
So if I will grant it for you, but I need just to
Let me
know
get
that
that.
it's
And let
actually
me-
his, that
It
he
is
bought
his,
it with the
yes.
serial number matching, and then, yeah, I'm happy to give it to you.
No
But yes, I will.
Let me give him a call and get that
Sure.
receipt real quick and
Yeah.
I'll,
Of course.
put that in the state. Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah. Say it again. 2 and 4? Great. Awesome, thanks.
Sorry. Nine. And they're all three different. Oh, no. The glasses. Oh, right. There'll be a list of parents.
So I was told to tell you, Larry, there was the key to like that. The new dollars and that's it. I wish you know. Looks like if you haven't paid this yet, I was just getting the refile has been done. So, you know, we got all those others that we're kind of waiting on family. So, it's all like it's in case. So, all those, you know, our list of whatever. That's the problem. That maybe get just thought it was the way they did it, that makes sure I had it. I mean, but I assumed how it's going to discuss that. Maybe like the other this business, you know, give it without school.
Yes.
Yeah, but he's. I think it's all the same. So what either the, maybe not the other guy. It's certainly the question, and then you'll weird because it's all like this is word. Maybe I need to get off of here. Because that's did you refile it? Just down here. Just talk about a building lawyer. I never discussed it. But it looks like it's probably not dismissed yet. Yeah, sometimes they. Oh, you're waiting until it actually gets filed here. They're dismissed. They have to get some to track. Yes. But they're gonna dismiss that one, because she probably got bought out now. She will have that crazy $40,000. Oh, you love it. Okay. I make sure we don't do it. So, my understanding. That's the way. 40 hours now. Okay. And for that. Okay. Thank you. There. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. What are you looking for? Big shit. That's friend, a lot of that. She has priorities against tax and sold.
Certain expectations about it.
All right.
We got a question on that. Still on the issue bond, that's just supposed to go all the way. Bond.
Old shit.
A long way to say, yeah. I think these two, like I said, I think her attention is still. She doesn't need to be around that lady. So.
Your Honor, very, very quickly, I have the receipt and his name is.
Did you verify it's the same serial number in the gun?
I just got those emails now, Judge, I have looked over.
Can you check real quick?
Yes.
As long as they can verify it, I'm cool.
The serial number is on the.
Michael, if it matches, I'm cool. Okay, just I want them to be able to. What's up?
Oh, okay.
You have someone else?
So I have Miss Granberry.
In jail or bond?
She's in jail. There's a summons. We had a felony impeding breath that looks like it's going to be dismissed. They have refiled it as a misdemeanor and done that via summons. To prevent custody, just because she hadn't made bonds on any of her cases.
Okay,
But there won't be those felony bond conditions because that case is going to be going away. And so we'll be dealing with it as just an.
we need to set a bond then.
So you'll need to, well, I guess if they've done it via summons, that was my question. Is it?
The thing is that,
Transfer the bond? Like,
well, no. The thing is that, yes, theoretically, we don't have to. But if she does bond out,
Sure.
if she ever gets pulled over, an officer ever stops her, it's gonna show, it's gonna look like,
I understand.
you know?
And so I'm happy to have that conversation. So a couple things to know about her. She does have a total bonds for all the other cases because there's $10,000 in the VPO.
Yeah.
And so $40,000, she had never made that. Her parents were from Memphis and they were trying to get that together. Obviously, I'd leave it to you as to what kind of bond you wanted to set. I do think she'll be able to bond out now if it's not something like $40,000.
No, I'm not gonna say that, obviously at 40 grand, but
Sure.
for at least 5 grand, I think would be sufficient.
$5,000 bond.
Yeah. What do you think? Are you okay with it?
I think 5,000.
Okay, so let's set it at 5,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,005. I need, and then Veronica, can I have a PSR, please?
And then in terms of bond conditions, just so you know, she has no problem not having any contact with this woman. We won't like.
Yeah,
contest that.
so, right, who is the CW again?
It's her ex-girlfriend.
So no contact, we'll put a GPS prior to release, no going to where she lives, works. Alcohol, dope, and, okay, cool. Well, she's there now.
She's in.
We'll bring her out momentarily once we create everything, have her sign it, and then, yeah, you're good. So just whatever day you want. I don't care, whatever you want.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Pre-trial judge? Or is that your state?
No, it's pre-trial, because she can be monitored. Yeah, okay, have fun.
That's so.
We have a 40 on there.
Yeah.
I suppose it is, so.
So that could become. Yeah.
Hey, you know, I was thinking, what probably be prudent too is to do a TRAS, just to see how to go forward, what's going on with her life. We can expedite it, get it done as quick as possible. That way she's just not singing, but lingering. And then maybe within the next week or two, we can try to, so she doesn't just sit there, Yeah,
Good idea.
okay.
Veronica, is it for all?
Is on the VPO. Yeah, I'd like to also add it on the AFM in the event that there's an issue, you know?
Problem with that OR not being available, so they're gonna come.
Okay, you want to do tomorrow?
I'm going out of town tomorrow, but I'll be
You can
back.
Zoom.
Oh, that'll work.
That's why we have it.
That'll work.
Just to make your life easier, Michael.
All right, no problem.
Just for your ease and comfort and access.
You know, I like coming in. I'm an old fashioned kind of guy. I wish they'd see back paper files.
No, no. I mean, really, how many trees are we gonna kill, right?
You
When,
know,
no.
this is the myth of American forestry. We actually have more trees today than we did in 1900. So, you know, and we also get very
But
little.
that doesn't justify,
We
does
also
it?
get very little of our oxygen from trees. Most of it actually comes from the ocean, from algae and plankton.
I have a lot in my pool, so
I mean, I do.
giving you
I
a
do-
ton of oxygen
I
right now.
do like oxygen. It is like on my fourth or fifth favorite. All right, thank you.
All right, bye.
And take care. Yes, that's what I'm doing right now. Okay. You know, I love this.
You all, yeah, it's just that, back in this year, a couple of the other days, and that's our time. Back in like,
All right, you should be good. Should be good. Running into contract, so check with everybody else involved. But you said online. Okay.
Supervision order has been filed on this.
Great, we'll sign it.
Unless I get this. You said they can.
I guess. I don't yet.
You are having with so they try to do this from far. Even photos. Reads. Yes, sir.
Yeah, there's a.
We're doing age. Yeah. No, no, no. Yes. Let's see.
Okay.
You fly.
Very bad.
July, okay. Yeah, so RDA, okay. You are looking for. Okay. Yeah, involved also decent. Let me talk to you about conversation. Is how we usually but
So much to ask for internet that freaking works. I mean, what the flick? I mean, give us our own damn network. I can't even connect. God. It's like we're the Flintstones here. It's really.
Was he boss? He was. He's like. You have to go somewhere else.
another state, another county.
That was the, was where we ended that. No, it's, I like you. Yeah. What are? Oh, and he's in Ghost, Ag, but if he's still there, Galveston is not Galveston, he's in the process. We're here at Brigstown. So I don't know if Bond is there or from what happened, I don't represent Galveston.
Mr. Bella.
We represent, yeah, numbers. There's what's cool. Abrams?
No, we have-
You're so. Well, my original argument too, maybe it sounds like a great function, something else.
Okay.
Yeah. But if there's. Really. You took it.
Second.
Yeah.
That's in Orient.
Yeah.
They've already.
Let's see. So one month for here, blue one.
Oh, God. But I already, I won't be able to prove this all thing, and then when this started, I'm going to officer that only because it's a billion.
Oh, is it?
You have to find this really from a problem with this.
No, it's what did you, wait, he does not.
Yeah, I'm not for that.
Oh, that's one.
This one's also for, this one.
That was for so real.
Maybe was it Resorted that I filled in instead of, yeah.
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 Oh, you just. All right, fine.
Excellent.
It was like, biology, so.
How about or not?
No, that's not, no.
So how about?
That's what you're right, something you would like in here, please.
You do request a complaint about this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then you have a second one. That's.
Thank you.
Or do we approach?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Gilbert, you're charged with 2 cases. You're charged with trespass and criminal mischief. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. The agreement that you have worked out is 150 days on each of your cases with 74 days credit. You were giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you can never change this or undo this. Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense, guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty on each of the cases. I'll sentence you to it. Okay, please see the clerk. Got it. Stuart,
Yes, sir.
just give me your cell phone. If you're waiting for someone, just give it to me and then I'll reach out to you. Oh, okay. All right. If you're waiting something here, just give us your cell phone. Just
I'm
go.
on intake today, so I was.
That way you don't. Okay. All right.
How you doing today, Jeff?
Good. Any day we're here with you, you know? Yeah.
All right. You got another hand in the county. Okay.
You have a problem? Yeah, but it's
Yeah, you think?
Me, I'm the on hand. Straight. 1952 324. See you there, Bob. What's up? Want to be? Okay. Okay. So I'm looking at the Indian federal market, he's failed down to the underscores, he's failed to below several. Failed to outpatient, this, got a lot of things, violations, so he's still for the MRP. What is he, I mean, if he's been in custody for a minute, how much credit did he have? He would probably resolve his case with depending on what credit he has. It's all marketing. Yeah, might work out better for him. That way he's not on probation. I'll work with it. You'll all be happy. See if he like your idea, but
You're fine. Thanks. So, 70. Felony case, he's got 100 before he's non-paid. So. It would be a suspension if you get fired. I assume your guy he paid his bond on the probation case. Probably bonded out. He's supposed to technically get credit for the time he's been. Possibly because he was charged February 14th. Solution was filed. The guy put the bottom third, never bonded out, Social Security officer. So he's got. Right. Yeah, we just, the Fleischer's okay with that now. You will get it now. Okay, all right. Those are. Oh, that's actually full functioning. Okay. Yeah. I just have a passing appeal. Ground guard. Let's see if you driver safety course. Yeah. Okay. I will have him do that. Thank you. Rob Darden, if you're not inclined to teach that, Rob Darden. Darden, yeah. No, I don't think I can. Yeah, I mean, sure. Is there? Yes. Did it take you over time? We have a great workshop. They shouldn't be off. They operate separately or you like.
Yeah, I'm at the ready.
Last the appeal. I don't know why he didn't show up today. I don't know if there was a mix up with the office.
Are you representing him?
Yeah.
Did you file it?
No.
How would you get appointed on a class
I didn't get
two?
appointed. I never.
You retained them.
Attorney I work with does them and then he contracts with me.
Okay.
Handle it.
What's the last name?
Darden.
What's the last name?
Darden. D-A-R. But he, for some reason, is not here today.
Yeah, that's no good.
Yeah, I know.
I guess pick a day later this week for him to appear,
Friday,
SFBF. Sure.
tomorrow.
Yeah, I don't care, whatever
I'm here
day,
both
but
days.
if he's not here, then tell him it gets revoked.
Okay, what day do you want?
I don't care. You
Friday.
choose.
Friday.
Whatever you want.
I'm gonna try to have him do this. Yeah. Well.
Yeah. All right, you have anything else?
And, yeah, man. Luckily, I had other stuff. Hey, bro. Yeah.
Okay, so. Actually. Look through it. Is that possible? I mean, I have mentioned. Oh, yeah. Just an approach. Think about it. Just an approach. Have you approached Judge?
Yeah.
Good morning.
Hey.
Nicholas Roberts, right down here.
Jail?
No, here's the.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So there's a ton of surveyor females in this case, Your Honor. We're just still working our way through it, so I just wanted to approach them. I think there might
Is
be.
discovery complete?
It looks like it is complete. I'd have to look through all the discuss. We have a bunch of videos in and have to look through and make sure they have all the surveillance. My co-counsel thought there might be one photo video per se that I don't see, but I haven't made my way through everything.
Got it. I mean, you're at 150 days. You only get one more setting.
Yeah, I
That's
think
it.
this is only our second setting. We just started on. So I think you might have.
I get it. It's still pretty old.
No problem.
Let me see. When did you guys? Yeah, you've been on it since February. Okay, I'm gonna give you another 30 days, but at that setting, he's got to be back. Put an offer on the case and just be ready. Okay?
Thank you,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
As. What is, what kind of? We're gonna change Got it. Okay, so that's all last time in decent case. We start paying. Let's say that happens. Trying to get attorneys.
I didn't want to let.
Yes, that's very. Yeah, if you ever see.
Yes, yeah, there's a super new one, right? Walmart area, that's still there. We need that. But I think some of this is, you know, I just said that the fact that the writing down is going to stale. Or, that is separate. This is making it. You don't understand me, different day. Oh.
It's in 11. I'm in society. They're out with the desk. Okay.
Yeah. They're in charge of that.
Hey,
Good morning, Your Honor.
what's up?
I'm gonna see if I can move an arraignment. It's not a DWI. I have it tomorrow to Monday.
What is it? What's the cost number?
Constitution.
What's your cost number?
It is 2618793.
Yeah, I'm down.
Thank
It's
you,
okay,
Ron.
for sure.
I have to be in Fort Bend. I don't know how long.
Don't worry
I'll
about
be
it.
there.
You're good.
Thank you.
No, don't worry about it.
Thank you, I appreciate
These
that.
steps, you almost. And they all are. Everybody got that.
I think it's all.
Yeah, like they sometimes like.
Just take it. Okay, I'll put it
And we got the DWI. So the DWI is game more charges. And one last came back, so he was pretty ornery and aggressive with the officers. I think he got me. Not sure if you'll be able to push that on. But we do this at this meeting, just the last thing that we do 7 PAC. Very but also we need to look up Colorado was. And there's this 5 acres or higher. And it is, I think, 2 down there, but. Well, he's got a 33. That's the residual. Stage. He's going after the site over. Absolutely good. What compounded with alcohol in the blood and benzo. Well, I think, and I think they found that this is the. He takes a plug and get away from the bar and straight there.
I guess the argument is to not get straight. That's what it was getting.
Usually the elevator.
Yeah. One of the, they actually say for the week after, you know.
What is your?
Ideally, so.
But I also,
All right.
One thing you gotta say, I think she's going to stand.
And then the last thing is just gonna be.
If I, Sean, you see.
Thank you.
Oh, I see.
Sorry.
Oh,
really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Easy going, man.
You go?
Yeah. How are you?
They work out.
Where you at? Okay. That's okay.
Always like true.
That's a lot.
Today I got the fish back. They thought I got it said about.
I heard some of those kids, he says, they put their fortunes out there, hurry, burn them, it's like, just, yeah, and literally all of like a minute.
Yeah.
Burn and listen.
If you want, you got no reason. We don't do that. We get from side. I used to have south end law. It's not much now. Almost not legal. Captain carry.
Just the states, they're looking up there.
They come out. Let us in. Yes, but it was.
There's some JPs, not like.
Some of them.
Is it- I don't
like.
I know, right?
And so we put the kid up to get live and I put them a job. So they'll put the eviction machine. You know, for that much. Even like from me, y'all want to that time, y'all come over and over.
Oh, great. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's, yeah, that's burning up.
Yes, it is.
I say, yeah.
Take care of yourself.
See, hey, Carl, what's up?
Yeah, I mean, if you're ready.
I'm ready when, yeah, I'm ready when you are. Yeah.
You can give him a right, if you want to.
Right. Good morning, Ms. Taylor. Ma'am, you charged with theft. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. Was there any restitution that's owed? Do you know, is there any restitution that it's owed?
No, Judge.
All right. You're, so like I said, you're charged with theft. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You need to understand something extremely important, that this, what you're doing now is you're making a lifetime decision where this theft will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. I don't know how many thefts that you have, but if you have another one, and now you have this one, that makes two. A third, you're looking at a felony offense years instead of days. Do you understand? Not only that, you pick up another case in here, you're looking at 90-day at a minimum. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, then you can never take this off. You understand? Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense of theft? Guilty or not guilty? Where is this from?
Old Navy.
Okay. All right, ma'am. I'm going to find that there's enough to go forward, find you guilty, sentence you to it. Good luck to you, ma'am. Please see the clerk. All right. Good morning.
Morning, Judge, how are you?
Hey, what's up?
Mr. McDaniel, you got?
Okay.
Judge, it's PTI, but I think yours in Louisiana, and so the terms are a little bit different, and I need to reach out to Cheryl.
But it's 266 days.
I understand, they sent us an email saying they let him on, sort of advice because he goes offshore. But then they said he's got something as a driving affidavit, and he hasn't without a license, so I'd rather do 2 devices or.
Sure, fine. I'll pick a day next week, whatever day you want. But
I understand, but I just gotta get that page down.
Okay.
Make sure it gets done by next week.
all right. Victoria, on top of 14, one week must appear. Yeah, okay. Hey, Bo, what's up, man?
Good morning, Your Honor. How you doing?
What's up?
Not much, Your Honor. I just have one client on your docket. It's Kenneth Aparicio Franco. I was just saying, if I could get a reset on him, please. It's in the early stages still.
Yes, you're at 170 days though, so we got to know where we're heading.
We'll be working this out soon, Your Honor.
You don't know PTI or do you want a PTI?
I got to see if he'll qualify because there's some other circumstances with it. So I'm going to check with him if they will accept it.
NCIC real quick. I'm gonna figure it out for you right now, Bo.
Yes, sir.
Based on the facts.
Yeah, but no, look at the history, if there's any criminal history. I think that may be the issue.
Does have a PCS from last year out of Hallettsville.
Is that it?
That's it.
So I don't think you have any, well, I don't want to say, but what do you think?
Because he has the open case, Your Honor, in Hallettsville. It's a PCS.
Yeah.
It's open, and then the accident. So that was just my biggest
Oh,
concern.
it's currently open.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
That would be John Boston. Okay.
we're talking about Aparicio.
Okay, what are we talking about?
He has an open PCS in somewhere else.
Okay, do we know if it's in Bridgeport? It's in Hallettsville.
It's in Hallettsville.
I see, I don't know where that is.
Yeah, me neither.
It's like an hour southwest of San Antonio.
Okay,
What is your opinion on PTI?
I mean, I consider anyone. Is he in custody in that place?
No, he's on bond. He's a college student at Texas State.
Okay,
So maybe you need a mitigation packet then?
I definitely need a mitigation packet, I'll consider him. Did he pick up that case while on bond?
Yeah.
Okay, so have to be a really good mitigation packet.
I understand.
Typically, if somebody's picking up criminal cases while they're on bond,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't have a good feeling
So
about.
regardless, though, you're at 166 days, so I'm gonna set you off for 2.5 weeks. And
Okay.
then he's gotta be here at the next setting. If you wanna apply for PTI, he's gotta have everything done.
Yes, sir.
And then he's gotta submit it by the next setting. I'll give you 3 weeks.
Yes, sir.
That's it, though. At
Okay.
that setting, he either must come here, take care of it, we set up a trial, or he's gotta apply for PTI and have it turned in,
Yes, sir.
okay?
Okay.
Bottom of page 1. Hey, Discovery's complete, right, on Aparicio? So 3 weeks. Clear trial at the next setting. If they want to apply for PTI, it's got to be submitted by the next setting. June 2nd to the 4th, Bo. You're muted.
Just a second, Your Honor.
Okay, it's yours.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have
Have a good
fun.
one. You too.
What day was it?
Second.
Okay, got it. Okay.
Jail credit.
I
have a couple of calls numbers. It is. I'm the one.
Yeah, I signed your motion to
Thanks,
second.
Judge. Appreciate it.
That's it. Okay, have fun.
Yeah, I able to do it.
Yes.
All right. Yeah.
All right.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a good afternoon.
Do you know if 2 or 9 are in trial?
I saw that, no, you said, but that was news to me.
Me,
Oh, well,
me.
I think you're 10, but I think Jerry's just talking for 7.
Legally, you can say.
I know. It's weird.
Yeah.
So.
I just texted one. I just said again.
The jurors were already.
Oh, wonderful. I just texted Juanita. Miss Harris. Miss Harris. Hi. It looks like Court 2 might be going to trial soon. So if you guys have any interest. Hey,
Court 3, I'm so sorry.
that's okay. Hi, Shreya.
Hi, Court 3 is also about to start.
Really?
Johnson, is that, am I crazy?
That's right.
Three's
Yes.
just about to.
So if you're looking for trials, 2 and 3. Yeah. Yeah.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Thank you so much. Good morning. Good morning.
We don't have much going on here now because it's already 11 o'clock, but,
So they were decided to meet, so I think if you.
oh.
Yes,
Say hi.
some of them can say they see you on TV.
Oh.
So, yeah, they just. Thank you, Your Honor.
I got it. So where do you guys go to school? Where? What is the high school? Great. It's a small, it's so much time. There's no responsibility with the whole thing you have to do. It's just go to school and study. I mean, really doesn't get to when you get older, life, there's so much life, getting away from everything. There's so many things I want to do that I can't, I have obligations, I gotta work.
Blood came back, no alcohol.
Anyways, what you do now, you pass on to the next 40 years. The more you study, the more you learn, the farther you go to school, the more this you're gonna have later in life, and you get to do fun things.
Oh, sorry.
In some, right? But rich is, it depends on what you value, right? Some people value money, some people value knowledge, some people value houses, some people value cars. I know people that have a Ferrari, but they live in an apartment. And I know people that live in a huge mansion and then they drive a jalopy. So it's what you want. And I know people who just work so they can travel. They're always going to, Vietnam, they're going to, Greece, they're going to this. But it all starts where you are. The more school you do, the more you go, the better you are in life. You will always have an obstacle. Someone's going to be telling you, do this, do that, where you know that it's not a good idea, but you're your own person, just decide what you gotta do. Here, we handle misdemeanor cases, so it can get up to one of the lower level cases, like assault, drive, trespass, where you shoot a gun, something like this, that we come here. Anything where you're supposed to be here in jail or less, you come here. So one of our, I am one of 16 here, county criminals. There's two types of charges, felonies and misdemeanor. The difference on how much time you're facing. Anything a year or above, the felony, a year and under, it's a misdemeanor. So that's what we do. We have all kinds on a daily basis. We have 60, 70, maybe up to 100 cases a day. So we're really moving fast. Anyone have any questions? Anyone? No one? We have an open door policy. If you guys ever want to come, hang out, we're happy to have you. The fun days that we have here are called arraignment days. We'll have people coming for the first setting. That's usually on a Monday, on Friday, where we have the most people that come in and you get to hear what happened on the days. Whether someone's picked up in charge while on bond, or they have bond violations, and they might get in trouble or not. But there are some trials going on now. If you guys are interested in watching.
We'd like a group picture, please.
Yes, absolutely.
Thank
Yeah, like that. I guess it got when it's just kind of like it there.
Well, yeah, you about to do it. However you want, you tell me.
You can there.
Right here's okay?
Yeah.
It's on one side. Okay, where's the gavel, Your Honor?
Oh, right here.
May one of the students hold the gavel?
It's really heavy. Here,
Okay.
it's really heavy.
So, do we have enough room for one more student?
Sure.
Okay, one more, who's going? Okay. All right, scoot in, Fred.
This is heavy.
Okay.
It is?
All right, okay, thank you.
Come on. Yeah, sure.
It's not like you're not there's no indication at all that people on it's hard to justify.
I'll let you guys.
Okay, you all ready?
for that, and then I'll call them.
Okay, thank you so much.
But I don't use it. Someone just gave it.
How old is it, you know?
I have no idea. But if you hit someone with it, it's gonna hurt.
They want to shake your hand, Judge Fleischer.
Look at you for the.
He's got some people.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Guys, keep
Oh, he's the good one.
Nice to meet you.
It kind of looks like with some high school. It's kind of the thing.
Yes.
These are.
Sure.
These are our.
I want a picture too. Make that ready. You can take it on your phone.
I don't even know when Memorial Day is. 2 years ago.
Yeah.
So, yeah, she can lose it.
Yes.
Oh, okay, I'm going to check this. You take a picture of the girl doing it in a picture. No, I'm going to take that one out. I'm going
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's fine. Thanks for coming. Yeah, nice to meet you. Guys, thanks for coming. Like you said, there's a trial on court 2 and court 3, those are the 8th floors. Or you're welcome to hang out here. Probably the best.
I'll pick over some.
Yes, okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
So, it's a, yeah.
Anybody tells you, you know, I saw this in the
All of my,
Yeah,
of course, we have always been to distinguish the two. This component, I cannot. Yeah. Cannot. 100% indistinguishable. You can check, both victims.
Hey, hi, Al, ready? What's up?
Your Honor, I am here on Miss Carnea Ferguson. She is here.
Okay.
The state has made a TI offer, Your Honor, which do you go to accept?
Let's see how old it is. Oof,
It was old.
377 days old.
She was in the room until March 6, 2026.
Great. What did you offer?
It is a drug and alcohol awareness course in 4 hours of community service.
Wonderful. 1 week.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 week.
Yes, sir.
And then if she doesn't have it done, I'm rolling her day for day till she gets it done. Let her know.
Okay.
What are you thinking, stinking?
No, that's no problem. I just cleared my calendar for next week.
You can Zoom.
Yes, sir. Okay.
You can Zoom from Hawaii, man.
Okay.
We've had it.
Yes,
Really?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Your Honor. Okay, thank you.
Got it.
Your Honor, thank you for that. Here's my, that was awesome.
What?
Usually.
Yeah, but I wish they would come in more often. They come in and on Wednesday, man. They've been,
They wanted to see you.
uh,
Sorry, sir. She called them up.
Choking, they left me conviction. My arguments and very excellent. So they probably last my truly amount the way it means, but he didn't hear. No, so like, well, I'm glad it's like big in the air instead. He had the vaccine. He's got, that we said,
I'm done with that.
yes.
Shreya, I just signed the dismissal.
Yes.
So if you want a copy.
And I'm gonna have one more plea coming in.
You said, did you say plea or dismissal?
A plea and.
Okay.
All right, go ahead. All right, so Justin was not done on that day.
Dance, dance, action.
How big are you? I know you're.
Fine.
Is it for a special event? Okay, so you're going to the wedding. And you're visiting 40 for a.
But I'm just saying, you right.
Ethnicity is the way. Because like, all. And so you're just, you guys are probably a full check. That's a lot. It's just. I went to the wedding, they have a choreographed singing, dance. The last, I mean, I went to it's like a serious wedding, the serious wedding. The groom just sang, it's a nice song. But that was like, but I was comfortable. Anything past that, it's just awful.
This one, I have like 7 things. I don't know if I said.
And I really started. So I also went to a Jewish wedding. I was doing that because when they finished the ceremony, they brought everyone into the ballroom and they laid out the food. So I started eating my food. I got my plate, I put it down. And they're like, okay, now we're going to do all the different dances. So they lifted the chair and we did the circles and all that. But I was like, hey, eat first. Like, I think it right with me when I do circles. Like, I had to do circles right there. I was hungry. I'm hungry. You can't put food in the room. You're making two circles, then wait until I finish my circles before you put the food in the room. I took my bread before. But we did circles for long.
See, this one, there's the minimum, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
That's quite well.
Also, this way.
Is it just the new choreographed dances? It's not like a year.
Because there was an event for it. And that's cheap. Also, I like,
So then these new choreographed dances, you put the wedding are different than the choreographed dances.
Yeah. And then they brought it out.
Are you part of the wedding?
Yeah, I was gonna.
Oh, like you can stand up there for the ceremony. So you're not like it's wedding. Yes, sir. I have not thought in that.
Yeah, speaking of which, the witch. The Wicked Witch.
I mean, there's all, it's a 13 API, you do that, I mean, I think you do those a million times. You could
do that.
You know, you could have done it in
Yeah.
time like you last vote. I mean, it's just, those are the awful, right? Like, there's a consequence for inaction. I mean, that's what it is, we have to kid take the decision. Like the 4-year-old, no, the 22-year-old. For what?
What you said, why it says, you know, how we making bad decisions about.
I mean, that's the defense, right? Finding self-defense books. I mean, every assault case we ever have, there's some kind of form of self-defense, right? And so then we take the case and evaluate on a self-defense claim.
There's no reals. 100% of the cases that come in here are good. And 100% of them have to be something to do with these decisions.
Yeah.
Giving you more right now. It shows why you want. So this is.
But officers some cases, and then they not only go with their cases, that is capable.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not there, I'm trying to do that.
Oh, thank
I
you.
appreciate that, well, that's the news of one.
If you're to look at the local.
Right. Since some cases we've got violent offense, we have to evaluate whether or not it's a good case. I have taken what you're saying, or we're talking about that approach is critical, because that has to be able to push that.
Let's say. The issue the baby mom to afford the defendant.
Yeah. That could be any. Let's just think what he's doing now, and we'll go to the next couple.
So like.
We need insurance. This probably not. I mean, because defending his daughter because you pushed her the true. We'll get out of it. What do you want to do? Like, move to this.
Eric, you ready? Wayne on state. Oh, that PSR, thanks. Oh, someone else. You ready? I guess Perez is with you.
President Michael, yes.
Okay.
That is the meeting.
Please. Do you need the cause number? Victoria, do you have it?
I have it, Deb.
You got it? Okay. Diana, do you have it?
I do.
You ready?
All right.
261-8533.
853.
3. On a Perez. Perez, you speak English, sir?
Yes, sir.
So you're charged with harassment. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
On May 1st, officer conducted a follow-up investigation based on a report from April 11th, 2026, where officer met with a complaining witness who stated that she was in a dating relationship with the defendant, and that they broke up, and she informed him that he cannot contact her in any way. The complainant stated that she then proceeded to block the defendant from all social media accounts and from her phone number, so he cannot contact her. And the defendant began to send her Zelle transactions, and she knew it was him because his phone number was attached to the transactions. Complainant stated that the Zelle transactions ranged from 5 cents to $20, and a written memo attached to each of them. 3 transactions, and 2 of the 3 had a memo stating that she was no longer willing to answer the Zelle messages, and that the defendant needs to stop contacting her. And then on April 10th, she received 4 transactions. April 19th, she received another transaction. May 1st, she received 4 transactions, consisting of memos typed by the defendant saying, "I'm glad you already moved on because you had nothing going for you." Quote, MAGA, quote, "Get gas because you're going to need it." Quote, "Don't send it back. Trump wants you to have it." The complainant stated that she wants to press charges because she cannot remove her phone number from her Zelle account due to the fact of it being a payment method. and she keeps receiving these messages.
Okay. Mr. Trevino, I'm going to find that Mr. Perez, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case as a condition of your bond. I'm entering in now what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection. This is a court order that identifies Ms. Deep as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person, commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is a stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon or go within 200 feet of where she lives or where she works. If you violate this court order, I will issue a warrant for your arrest. I'm going to put you in jail. No more PR bonds for you. This is not a revolving door. Do you understand? You're also not to be in possession of any weapons. And when I mean no contact of any kind, social media, Zelle, anything whatsoever. You do, it's just not going to end well for you. Do you understand? So what do you think for a bond?
Judge, we would ask for a personal bond, and the alternative, if you wanted to go up, we'd ask for 500. He does have a Burnsville bond present today.
What's your position on a PR bond?
You said 500, Judge.
Okay, I'll set your bond at $500. I'll grant you a PR bond today, Mr. Press, but I want you to understand something. Like I said, it's not a revolving door. If I have to revoke your PR bond, I'm going to raise it up and I'm going to make it extremely high. Do you understand? No means no. I don't care what your excuse is. I don't care who tells you what. I don't care what party you go to. Do you understand? I'm going to have you sign a reset. We will have you take your seat in the jury box while we get your bond conditions, while we get your bond ready, and then we'll go from there. All right, please.
Over here first.
Oh, this way.
Are those states?
Yeah, states. So no contact, no weapons, and then, yeah, the PR.
Just the pre-trial bond conditions?
States.
Okay. Nothing will call me afterwards.
I usually like.
All right, well, that was nice to chat.
Mr. Arnsworth. Good morning, sir.
I'm here. It's actually on an off docket matter. The coordinator told me to approach by Zoom on a case.
What's your cause number?
Cause number is 2575454. My
Hey,
client is
give me 1 second. Let me get the state. Sean, I think this is your case, actually. This is on Mr. Jones. Tell me when you're ready.
Forward sent it to me. I have it.
Oh, okay.
I'm sorry, did you do a $500 PR bond or
PR bond.
$500 surety?
PR bond.
Did you?
Yeah. Yeah.
They were.
This one's good.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Burr.
Thank you, Judge.
Good to see you, man. Okay, what's the deal, Pickle?
okay. Judge, my client was approved for a DWI PTI program. He contacted me last week or maybe 2 weeks ago, and he can't afford to do the program and pay, I guess, his living expenses. And he wanted to see about getting out of the program and just pleading to a time served on the DWI.
I'm okay with it.
Okay.
State, what do you guys think?
Let me talk to my chief about it.
Mr. Hyde, what do you think?
That's fine, dude. Not opposed.
Yeah, I don't think anybody's opposed to it, and we're all okay with it.
Okay,
Just
Judge.
probably the sooner you bring him, the sooner he gets done with it and can get everything removed and be done with it at one time. So we're at your mercy when you want to bring him, you know?
Oh, okay, Judge. Well, I'll reach out to the coordinator and see if we can get on the docket and come in and get the plea done.
Okay. Just tell me, you want to tell me, just tell me now?
Um,
You know?
I can reach out to him if
No,
he's,
okay, take your time. I thought you
Okay.
already knew when. No, take your
no, I
time.
don't
to
know
do
yet,
it.
Judge.
Whatever you want. Just email
Okay.
her and then we can put it on for when you want.
Okay. Thank you so much, Judge.
You got it. Take care.
You too. Thank you.
Did something happen on Robinson's case upstairs? What's going on with that?
No, it's pending, it's not indicted yet. It's just.
How long's it been? It's been 6 months? No.
No.
They have to indict it within 6 months.
I believe it was from February, and he got charged in March.
Oh, that's right. Right. It's only, okay. So you don't want to wait to see if there's a global, I guess?
I,
Is this what he wants to
I
do?
did want to wait, and Mr. Robinson wants to take this plea again.
Your advice? You want me to make a docket notation?
Yes, and he'll agree to it. He wants to.
Okay.
Yes. So the document.
He's in the driver's seat. Was there any restitution that's owed in the theft?
No, recovered. But.
Okay. Well, no, if you're telling me, then
It was Target.
Okay. Is anyone from the family here now?
Yes.
Who's here?
Charles's mother against.
Or who's here for Mr. Robinson? Come up, ma'am. Are you mom? Are you mom?
No, that, you are, oh, I thought she said, he said my mom here. The
No,
grandma.
no. You are mom?
Mhm.
So council has advised not to do this because perhaps they can work some kind of global resolution with everything. It might take a little bit more time. Mr. Robinson, that case is probably one of the worst cases that you can get on your record. Once you're branded a thief, it becomes really hard to get a job. People look down on you all the time just because they know if you're a convicted thief, there's a good possibility that you might steal from them. You understand? You don't want to wait to see if there's something global that can happen with everything?
Do you want to wait or something? You want to wait? And you don't want to take the justice? Okay.
What's going on with Mr. Robinson now? And so prior to the aggravated robbery, was he living with you? What was he doing?
He was back home, he was in school, doing everything he needed to do.
What the heck happened?
It was the time period where we lost him a little. And then we got him on board, but then in that period,
Yeah, so
It's
this other charge was before all of this. It was, he may have already seen you, but they didn't charge him with it until the day before his court, which was March 4th.
How do we, have you guys spoken about bonding out?
So, yeah, so the gun here is way too high. To put with the other one, so it's putting them at like 70.
I understand, right, I understand.
Right.
My problem is, and if we do a lower bond, how are we going to ensure that he doesn't pick up a fourth case?
So he had a monitor. He was never not where he was supposed to be. He was in school Monday through Friday, and he was home. I'm not gonna stay here and tell you he wasn't home and he was.
Are you working at this time? Do you work?
I work, but I get off at 5 p.m. I also have cameras. He also was under monitor. They cannot say he was not going from Travis High School back to my.
So Judge, and
I don't want you to plead guilty just to get out.
that's what he's doing.
That's the rub. I don't want you to plead guilty to get out. But I gotta know that my public is safe because I'm going to protect it at all cost. And it scares me, the things that continue to happen. Do you understand? Jail sucks. And I hope at a minimum, you will have seen all the old timers in there to see all the people that come in and out and in and out of jail that make it a lifetime. There are way too many people in this life that are just a statistic because they keep going in and out. And the problem is when you hang with dogs, you get fleas, as you now see, because you can just be with the wrong person and you become a co-conspirator, meaning that you are part of the whole shebang, even though you didn't want, you didn't intend. Had you known, you wouldn't have gone. Nevertheless, when you hang with dogs, you get fleas. Do you understand, Mr. Robinson? How long has he been in custody now?
That's right.
The thing is that if I were to test you now, there's a very big possibility that you would test negative for marijuana or anything. I'm going to lower your bond now, but I'm going to tell you, if I find that you test positive for weed one time into jail, you will go back. And I'm telling you now, I'm not going to sit here and do this again. Do you understand? You will be given a strict curfew of school and home. No hanging out with any friends, no going to after school dances, no going to basketball, whatever, nothing. You go to school and you go home. Do you understand? Because if not, there's only one place you're going to go. And you know now, when we put a bond high, you're stuck like Chuck. Do you understand? What do you want?
Would you do?
$19,000 here, and I know that he's bond forfeited twice.
I don't want him to end up with just another conviction, just pleading guilty to get out. And I'm willing to help you, and I want to, but it has to be on both ends. I need your help as well. I can't do this alone because I don't want him just to plead guilty to just end up with a conviction to get out. I will give you a low bond with the understanding that you and I are on the same page, that he gets a monitor prior to release. He's stuck at home. He cannot go out to parties. He cannot go out to, well, I don't know.
Judge, we just want to make sure bonds, give that permission comes back since he didn't twice. He's bond forfeited twice.
They'll have a monitor on his ankle. Why don't you guys talk, figure it out. I'm happy to do whatever works with you.
Very big. Probation offers for a year now. What was good as a class B? Other than that. Okay. That's good. Almost. Okay, that's good. So let me know. Thanks. You know what I mean? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's not. Oh, sorry, guy, Laura is going to. Just come here.
We started with more LOHR.
Okay.
Judge Maris Coach.
Yeah.
Yes. Sounds good though. Thanks.
Trey, what do you think?
Would you consider $1,000 bond? I think it's 40 up there.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Oh, I saw 25 though.
it's 25.
Sorry, it's 25. I just need 40 gold. I don't know if they're even gonna make it, I'm gonna be honest, but they're gonna try to put together the bond money.
I'm okay with that.
1,000?
Yeah.
And that's a big hit for this guy.
Yeah, I get it. But
I understand, and we've talked about it, and we are all on the same page.
so we need proof of enrollment within a week of release.
A school?
I want him to be in school. That's
Yeah,
the point.
And he was in
So-
school, I think school ends in 2 weeks. I don't know if they'll take him for a week, but we'll
Oh,
try.
no, you're right. Damn
I
it.
mean, I'll try.
No. I think you're right. It's pointless to try to.
Maybe I think, and I'm still gonna talk to him about summer school and stuff like that.
So, right, come on up.
So
What
Travis, but it's going down, I'm not sure what they're gonna go to, he may not approve for so long.
What do we do for the summer?
So he's gonna be home, he has curfew, unless he's able to get a job.
Is there
That's
a
what-
way we can put him in the summer program for school, to sort of make up kind of balance?
I can reach out to the school and find out where he's at with that,
But a job may be a great idea as well, just when they have too much time on their hands, they just get into, something to occupy his time, whether school or work. And I'm willing to do the $1,000 bound on each case, only want him to be productive. That's all I want, and no marijuana. That's it. So, okay. Or just a GPS prior to release with the understanding that,
Yes.
you know,
School or work.
school or work,
within-
full-time,
And
or I
I
guess-
guess Sarah's actually really good
or
on it.
I guess part-time because he's
Okay.
young. I mean, I don't think we can expect him to work full-time, but
And it's $1,000 bond on each charge too.
yeah, I don't want him to just plead guilty to get out. Really. On both cases, correct, right.
Okay, and then can I get a regular set on it? Because felony is like set for tomorrow and then after the indictment.
Absolutely.
Alright.
And then, what I would say is after that, let's start putting him on the same day.
Yeah.
So just stay in touch with, so that we can put the days on the same day, so you don't have to keep coming and going on different days. That way it's more efficient for you guys. Okay, all right, good luck, man.
Thank you, boss.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, so, why else? It's the guy. Yes, like, so, you know.
Okay, no worries.
Okay.
No, it's 17. Oh, that is huge.
You're the one.
Yeah, it's okay.
You working? Okay.
Yes.
No, that is. Shreya, have you ever been to a wedding where it's
Everybody.
You had choreographed, how many? Are you doing that in the factory work?
Of course, you have dance. I just do change.
Oh, they're like excluded from the dance.
You're otherwise you will. At my 16th birthday, after the day of
Do you like it though? You know it?
No.
Oh, man. Fascinating. Did anyone like it, or is it entirely like a culture that is forced to dance? That's really good.
Yeah, he's like a little bit more than we are. Yeah. That was, he was saying.
Did it make you uncomfortable? Is that what you wore for the wedding?
No, God.
Oh, I can't.
You know, it all sorts of, it was a cultural change. That's on it. It's been all over.
Oh, you can Google things. I'm sorry. Yeah. So the one more. Sitting off your friend or doing it.
Hey, Victoria, you ready?
Bottom of page. Just put it on the radar.
Yeah.
Ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Aqua teams was it required appearance?
Yeah, 5001.
It should be available.
What?
Page 21. Is council Zoom on? Okay, well, they have a validate today, so.
Yeah, it's gonna be a while. Yeah.
Bottom of 27. Did show up, and Charles.
For,
Yeah, so, she hasn't presented positive for amphetamines, but she does have, prescriptions on file, so we would need to wait for the lab to confirm if it was positive.
how long is it gonna take the lab to get back?
Estimate about a week.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, so let's put it on for a week to get the lab back.
So your husband's Pakistani.
I'll let council know when he comes back.
Sure.
Page 29 was an arraignment, how to appear to bonds posted.
5,002.
Okay. Was it Florence? It's a few about cheaper. Yeah, see, that's the other. No. You always have to put patents over the wall, which you think it happens. You appreciate it, man.
It's reasonable. It's reasonable. It's not very calm. This is my wife. No, seriously, I
tell you all, to keep saying.
she said, "Oh, it's no big deal." When you're talking, I don't have to be on the things. Your classes. No, right? No, she just. What does this do? And also, I just negotiation.
Hey, on gray, all conditions continue as they were.
Yeah. It looks like he currently has the GPS and the scribe and he's compliant.
Right, okay.
All over.
Alright, go ahead and second.
No, I don't.
Edge. Who's?
Now, push up and then we grab.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
Where are we headed with Miss Wall?
It's no problem. They, reset it for a week, so.
Sure. Do we have an agreement?
Oh, Ms. Wall, I'm sorry, I didn't hear you, Judge. Yes, we have an agreement for her to pay restitution, complete the anger management class, and case will be dismissed.
Great,
So
okay.
she told me she's going to get that done today.
Oh, wonderful. Well, as soon as she gets done, soon as she's done, right?
So
Yeah.
she said, I gave her the restitution bill, so she's
Okay.
gonna pay that,
Great,
and she's gonna do the anger management tonight.
Yeah.
okay,
But we reset the case for her.
sure.
I have another one, Stephen Taylor, he's in custody. Really old case, he bond forfeited, he's finally back, picked up. I believe he has the evading and the DWI, felony evading and DWI.
Okay,
I don't know what to do in this situation.
right, I would say just give it a week or two, find out what is happening in the felony court.
I think the felony court date is in June sometime, right?
Yes, you're right. I guess set it after if you want. Yeah. Hey, so GPS prior to release on Mr. Taylor, because he's a flight risk, no alcohol, no drugs. Does he have a license?
He does, Judge, let me check if I really.
Wow, he has 2 prior intox mans.
2 separate.
Well, 2 counts of it at least. I got this.
It's eligible.
It's eligible? Okay. Yeah, whatever you want. If he bonds out, he's got to stay, we'll give him a GPS prior to release, just,
He's at no violent felony right now.
yeah, I get it. So, but they may at some point give him one. So I guess,
All right,
Yeah.
so we'll come back to
Yep.
that. after felony.
Yeah.
Thank you, Judge.
okay, take care of him.
You too, sir.
Hi, good morning. Yes. Where are we headed with Mr. Gray?
So on him, today, he's, the judge bond.
Yes, we're going to redo the bond conditions today.
Yes.
But nevertheless, it's 160 days, I think. If I'm, let me see, make sure. It's 160 days. So application was submitted. Was the application submitted?
Yes, Judge, it was.
Do we know? Gray?
Review it right now.
Okay. Give us about 2 minutes and we'll see. Mr. Gray, if you don't mind just taking a seat real quick.
Yes. Efficient.
Did you say he's a student?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, okay. Got it. If it's a yay, then we'll send him to go do a TRAS now. If it's a nay, we'll give you a couple weeks to, you guys decide what you want to do. Okay? Do you have anyone else in back?
No.
Oh, who's gentleman back there?
Mr., he's waiting on Council Brooklyn. But it's not.
No, okay, sit down. Okay.